How's it going, guys? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Sacai collaboration with Nike on the LDWaffle in the white nylon colorway. This pair dropped on March 10th for a retail price of $160 or $210 here in Canada. This white nylon pair dropped alongside a black and white colorway as well, and both of these colorways are follow-ups to the highly successful Sacai LDWaffles that took over the sneaker community last year. In comparison to last year's releases though, this version is much more of a stripped down look. And instead of the crazy colors that the other colorways are known for, this one is done entirely in white. Diving into the shoe, so instead of your traditional mesh, for this model, they've replaced it with this white nylon which is visible on the toe box. Wrapping around the front edge of the toe box, we have two layers. So there's a bottom layer of long-haired suede, and then on top of this we have this smooth white leather. This double layer effect is visible where the eyelets are. And then on the midfoot of both sides of the sneaker, we have the same look done on these dual layer swooshes. Moving towards the back heel, so we have a bottom layer of flat leather, and then overlaid on top, we have that suede. And then at the very center of the back heel, we have both Nike and Sacai branding done in this metallic silver finish. Another major change about this version compared to the OGs is for the laces, instead of normal flat cotton laces, for this pair we're given a flat ribbon lace, along with a very thin rope lace. The ribbon laces also have these metallic gold eyelets, which is a very classy addition to the shoe, but to be honest with you guys, I prefer the look of the normal laces much more, and fortunately for us, Nike does provide us with these extra laces if we prefer to switch it up. Underneath the laces, we have these two layers of nylon tongues, and at the top we have Nike sportswear branding on the exterior, and Nike Sacai branding on the bottom layer. Pulling out the insoles, so we have an all white colored insole with Nike and Sacai branding stamped on the heel in silver. The upper of these LDWaffles sits atop this super chunky two-layer foam midsole. Because this is a fusion of the Nike LDV and the Nike Waffle Racer, we're essentially sitting on top two different midsoles. As always, this top midsole protrudes out of the back of the shoe. And then flipping these guys over to the bottom, here we have your all-white rubber outsole with this waffle-inspired traction pattern. From a sizing standpoint, so these fit the same to me as my other Sacai LDWaffles, so for me, these run true to size. My feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me perfectly fine. So again, these also feel the same on feet to me as the original Sacai waffles. So for a sneaker that only utilizes traditional foam and there's no modern tech like Zoom Air or anything like that, the step-in comfort is actually not bad. Of course, you're gonna be very high off the ground, you're gonna be very elevated. So some people might not like that sensation, but for a modern day sneaker that incorporates elements of very retro Nike sneakers, these guys are perfectly fine for everyday use. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Sacai LDWaffles and show you guys how these look on feet. To me, both this white and the black nylon pairs were a bit unnecessary. I think that the black and anthracite and the white pairs from last year are much better than these two. But on a positive note, the resale prices for both this one and the black pair aren't that high, and they're the lowest of the entire series, so if you guys are looking for a more affordable option and you struck out at retail, this nylon collection is much more reasonable without having to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars over the retail price. Obviously, with this being all white, this is definitely for me gonna be more of a summer shoe, but I won't lie, these will look very fresh on feet, assuming you guys can keep them relatively clean. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this white nylon Sacai and Nike LDWaffle. Between this one and the black pair, which one did you guys prefer? And let me know your general thoughts down below about this nylon pack. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video.